Did you know, besides calling the police, you can actively deter intruders? With Provision-ISR, you can easily connect a loudspeaker to your cameras or NVR. This allows you to broadcast a loud warning directly to the intruder, scaring them off and protecting your family. Look how easy it is. If you've connected the speaker to the camera, double-click on the image to bring up full screen. Tap the screen once to bring up additional menu options. Locate the microphone, click it, and then press and hold down the microphone and talk. I can see you. You got 10 seconds to leave before I call the cops. If you've connected the speaker to the NVR, click on the microphone icon on the bottom left. Press and hold the microphone and speak. What are you doing here? Get out! To get the setup working, you need to enable audio on your camera if it supports audio out. Then connect an audio cable from the camera's headphone output to the horn speaker. If the horn speaker needs to be connected to the NVR, plug the audio cable into the NVR's audio output. Have fun!